Saturday morning. It's Labor Day weekend. You know where I'm at. Actually, today I'm going to have my buddy Nick joining. He's been on the channel before. Big Volkswagen Audi guy and just a lovable, super sweet human being. And so I'm excited. He's got a few things to look at. I got here a few minutes early. I got some 4Runners, Honda Pilot, and an old Nissan pickup truck I want to check out for my parents. So yeah, we're back. 109. Let's go. All right, first car. The truck's robust. First car is this Acura RL. 2005, they started putting monoblock brakes on there, and these do sell pretty good. I think usually I have to get like 120, 150 for a set. And today they'll probably cost me like 40 bucks. So let me pull those off. It's really simple. It's just these two bolts here. All right, so I got those brakes off. The top two bolts are 19 millimeter, then you need 10 millimeter for the brake line. As I'm coming to check out this Celica, there's this old Mercedes right there, and sitting, not attached at all, was this air cleaner, air filter cover, whatever. It looks cool. The Mercedes is, I think, from the early 80s, maybe mid 80s. Today is 40% off. Honestly, I want this just for a wall hanger. I'm willing to pay, 15 bucks or whatever. It should be around 10, 12, maybe 15 for it. So that's kind of cool. But yeah, I am looking at this Celica here. You guys know I always check out Celicas. Unfortunately, I took a quick peek. The first off, it stinks. Something fierce. The steering wheel is one of the rubber ones. I was gonna take a look and see which engine it had and just check things out. But yeah, man, junkyard's awesome. About done. Good to see Nick. We're gonna head out in a few. See what else we can find though as we walk around. Oh yeah, nice little Nissan here. Let's take a peek. What the hell? This man done lost a wig. Quality. Oh man, old Del Sol. These things were so cool. I loved the stripe, the color matching stripe. And then the radio, they don't have that in here. Had a little like flip down cover. But yeah, Target top that's stored in the back. Oh man, it's cool to see these things. Not much left on this one. I mean, nothing super usable. Somebody's taking the head off of it. I'm not sure which model it was. The SI did have a 1.6 B16. Yeah, pretty cool to find. Our haul has increased by some Mark IV Jetta parts, some Audi bit stuff, and some Z31 T-tops. Now, let's walk in because I think I want to get a tow receiver, a tow hitch for the Land Cruiser. We'll see. All right, God dang. Sorry, grasshopper just jumped on me, scared the hell out of me. All right, we are back home, and I've got my my pickings from today, and I got my receipt here. All right, so I think I did a bad job today as far as this whole video goes, but let's talk about what we got here. I got the Mercedes air cleaner I mentioned. This cleaner, I just thought it looked cool, and that air cleaner cost me a total of $14.69. I kind of want it for me. I'll look and see how much they go for. If it's something crazy, maybe it doesn't stay in my garage, but it just looks cool, man. I like that warning label. It looks cool. All right, two things I came for were these Acura monoblock brakes. I've sold them before. They cost me $9.59 a piece, and just to show, $9.59 brake calipers, air cleaner, $14.69. Sorry. Oh, actually, it was $11.59 because of core charge. Sun visors. These came out of that Land Cruiser, which, by the way, I could not get the hitch off of that, and that sucks because it'd be kind of cool to have the tow bar on my Land Cruiser, especially at like $25, $28. But here's where we are. But anyway, sun visors off of that. This one did break coming off, just old plastic. I think I can replace this. Sun visors cost me $4.61 a piece. You can't see that, sorry. And then the big thing that I didn't show you guys here, Z31 300ZX T-tops. I maybe shouldn't have bought these. These came in at a total of $24 a pop. So I spent 50 bucks, $50 just on those two T-tops. But I think that's not a good, it's not a good, it's not a bad deal. It's a good buy. I got a couple relays. I found this cool Matchbox car, and then I picked up, this was sitting there, just a center cap, an old inky center cap. All this came out, I spent $110. Again, I want to keep this. I want to keep these for my Land Cruiser, maybe be redone. But the 110 that I spent today, I can sell those for more than that. So I'm going to come out good on this. I'll update you guys on what I sell. I've been kind of slacking on car part sales lately, so I apologize. But hey guys, thanks for following along and the support you've shown. I enjoy coming out here to the junkyard. I enjoy going to the junkyard and finding stuff and flipping and making some extra cash. And I appreciate you guys following along this process and journey with me. So cheers, y'all. Take care.